survive. Clear? So the average lifespan for human being in our country, clear, is about 65 to 70 years. And definitely in developed countries where the living conditions are better, clear, the medical facilities are better, clear, the lifespan or the life period is found to be better or more. But you know, presently the entire world is under the threat of a corona infection, and definitely it has been on record, it is found that no living condition, clear, is supporting the survival of the living organism. Clear? The people of the different parts of the world are equally infected by the coronavirus. Okay? So this is the average lifespan. Now life expectancy. Life expectancy can be defined as the expected time for which a living organism can survive. Clear? So life expectancy for the Indian male is about 70 to 75 years, where the life expectancy for Indian female is about 65 to 70 years. Clear? According to the latest report of the India government. Clear? Now come to the second part, that is reproduction. Clear? Reproduction, you know, is an important biological process. I defined earlier also. It is an important biological process in which a living organism produces new individual of the same kind to continue the species generation after generation. You know that no living organism is immortal. All living organisms die, clear, after a certain period of time. That means all living organism, whether plant or animal, has a definite lifespan. And after that, they die. But before they die, they leave behind the offsprings of the same kind, so that a particular species can continue generation after generation. So this is the process, this is the biological process in which the living organism produce new individual of the same kind to continue the species generation after generation. Okay? So reproduction is very, very essential. Without reproduction, the survival of the species on this earth will be difficult. Now, the process of reproduction, clear, are of different type in different kinds of living organism. Now, the process of reproduction are broadly divided into two types: asexual reproduction, also known as vegetative propagation, and sexual reproduction. All right. So basically there are two types of reproduction. One is asexual reproduction, another is sexual reproduction. Now asexual reproduction is also known as vegetative propagation. Now the propagation is the term related with the process of reproduction. Propagation is defined as the process of increasing the number of individual of a particular kind. Now, if this process of increasing the number of individual is carried out involving any vegetative part of the living body, it is known as a vegetative propagation. Clear? So propagation is the process of increasing the number of individual of a particular species. And if this process of propagation is carried out involving any vegetative part of the body, it is known as a vegetative propagation. On the other hand, sexual reproduction is the process in which new living organisms are produced through the fusion of two gametes produced by the male and the female individual, leading to the formation of a zygote, which ultimately goes through a period of